Leave a art cold like December. What? 4-5 on me, it's the Kimber. What? AK knocking down trees like timber. Get your baby mama before we tender. Hit the windshield, not the fender. Giving out smoke, my agenda. Start a white flag, they surrender. All black tips, I'm a businessman. Me and I still taking killers' hands. Take the plug off in the middle, man. Spray the whole block, I don't give a damn. Fuck a nigga, bitch, I'm a gentleman. 21, your bitch know I been a man. Playing with the rock like I'm Jigga Man. Gotta look a nigga in the eyes when you kill a man. Glock in my loud, every wow, strap. Most be rappers, cow. I ain't giving doubt. Glenwood to the flat. Used to rock, trap. Money top, shack. Chopper bullets, splat. Chuck E. Cheese, rack. We get rolled, whack. Way too many stuffers. I can't hold them back. Body full of scars. Face full of tat. You pray on your knees. I pray to my scrap. Say you want smoke, but if I come with it, money on your head, nigga, we'll come get it. New Caltech, put 100 in it. Apartment so sweet, throw 100 bun in it. Keep it in the street, I ain't doing no squilling. I don't never put women in my business. Full-time rap, I ain't doing no drilling. Whoa, I can make an M in my sleep. Straight up, 17 breaking out a P. Oh God, 18 start selling Harbor Lil B. $100 beef, I a whip from D. Riding down Glenwood, tank on E. All about the money, I ain't never smoke weed. Cool young niggas still take your cheese. But it's not mine, this bitch for us.